Now we're going to check back in with meteorologist Nick Hausen.
Yeah, good Friday morning. Tracking some cooler air moving in here to end the work week. It's likely going to stick around at least through the first part of the weekend. And Dave, Evie, we're going to give away an umbrella right after this forecast. And I'll tell you what, there's some wet weather showing up in that forecast as well. Checking in this morning, though, from the studio doors, looking back towards the eastern sky, we've got some high, thin clouds out there. We went ahead and called it partly cloudy this morning. We're going to give way to more sunshine by this afternoon. That may help to offset some of the cooler air today, but today a much colder day than yesterday. Yesterday, we were into the lower 50s. Today, most of us likely not going to climb out of the 30s, and that cooler air sticks around for Saturday. Now, our next weather maker arrives towards Sunday into Monday. Right now, we're expecting mostly rain from this system, but quite a bit of rainfall on the way by the end of the weekend and into the first part of next week. Checking in this morning, though, outside, temperatures back in the upper 20s and lower 30s across southern Illinois, down to 27 in Mount Vernon, 31 at this hour in Marion. Paducah, you're at 36. Cape Girardeau at 37. Poplar Bluff, you're at 38 degrees, and the cold front continues to make its way south. 24 right now in the state's capital there. 17 actually now in Peoria. Just a little while ago, they were in the mid-20s, so that cold air working its way through the Midwest. That is what is going to arrive this afternoon and really keep our temperatures down today. That cold front, though, doesn't have much in the way of snow or rain along it. Tracking a couple light rain showers there back into northern Arkansas, back into the Ozarks, but that is going to stay to our south. There's the high clouds moving in from the west. Again, they're going to be with us this morning, giving way to more sunshine by this afternoon as high pressure starts to build back in from the north. Storm system along the Gulf Coast, though, producing a lot of heavy rain. That's moving away from us. So dry weather here for the next few days. Mostly sunny skies. Lunchtime temperature only into the mid-30s this afternoon. We'll top off into the upper 30s. Factor in that breeze, though, from the north and west. That's going to make those temperatures actually feel much cooler than that. Wind chills this afternoon into the lower 30s. And tonight, we fall like a rock. A few more clouds around, but by midnight, we're back in the mid-20s. One of the cooler mornings we've seen in a little while. Coming up tomorrow morning, talking about temperatures possibly back in the upper teens in a few spots on Saturday morning. Let's jump ahead to Sunday morning. This is 9 a.m. and while this model keeps us dry, it wouldn't be surprising to see maybe some light rain mixed in, possibly with some sleet initially, switching over to all rain. And then here comes the wet weather Sunday afternoon and into Monday. Notice snow flying out across northern Illinois back into northern Missouri. But around here, this is mostly rain as temperatures will be warming as that storm system approaches. Some of this rain actually expected to be heavy, especially into the deep south, but we're going to see some of that heavier rain, especially into the Missouri Boot Heel and western Kentucky approach our region. There's the snowfall we're talking about. If you're doing any traveling towards the second half of the weekend, they're expecting a big winter storm across the upper Midwest. But around here, about an inch of rain expected right now across much of southern Illinois. A little more than that from Cape Girardeau back over near Paducah, Mayfield, Kentucky, possibly more than 2 inches of rain into the Missouri Boot Heel and western Kentucky. And for some folks, they actually could use a little bit of this wet weather, but sunshine today again may help at least offset that 38 for a high temperature. Tomorrow morning, lower 20s on average, but could see some teens in some of the rural areas. Saturday morning, a cold morning. Saturday afternoon, running up to about 40 degrees. Sunday into Monday, here comes the wet weather. Monday afternoon into the middle 50s, but lots of rain. And then cooling down behind that system, will drop back in the low 40s on Tuesday. 40s stick around through Wednesday. Another chance as we move into Thursday of some rain and snow mixing first thing in the morning. Not expected to be a big deal. And then we get into the end of this month, Dave, if you can believe that. Friday's the 29th, Saturday the 30th, and the 31st. We're going to wrap up January on a mild note with temperatures right now projected in the low 50s.
I'm okay with this. I really am.
I'm okay with it too, but I know there's snow lovers going, where's it at? Where's it at?
Well, send me a message and I can tell them exactly where it's at,
go
directions
to
to
Iowa.
get there.
You need